Oh my God. Someone else says, you are walking around, so you can't be that ill. And that's the problem. Your friends and family don't see you in your worst state, like especially your friends in the outside community, you know, like they only see you for the 30 minutes you go out or the event that you go to, but they don't see the 2 weeks resting afterwards or the days before or whatever. Yeah. So it's hard for them to see. Yeah. Izzy says, it's not like you're disabled, the person said. And she said, this condition is so misunderstood. I agree. Doctor said, I'm tired too sometimes. Well, that helps. Someone said to this person, get well soon. Jesus. And, you know, some of these people probably mean really well. It's just that they just don't get it. Oh, wow, this one's bad. You're not sick. You're looking for attention and an excuse to get out of work. This one's a shocker. It must be so nice to be at home. Here's the problem. Most people with chronic fatigue syndrome and chronic illness are not people who want to stay at home. They're people who want to make the most of their life. They're people who are go-getters. They're type A personalities. They're people who want to achieve. And to be honest, like every single person in our program has something special to offer and they've got a real gift, whether it's in the arts, the crafts. We've got so many artists in our program. We've got musicians, we've got business owners, we've got, you know, sport athletes, we've got academics, we've got everyone. And the most common thing that I see, these people aren't lazy. That's the furthest from the truth. They're not people who want to stay at home. They're people who want to live and get out. And so, you know, this is not a lazy syndrome.